and start of the action. Mamaya, fast to begin. And on the outside acquirement, then comes Snow Dip. Caloocan's Pride. Stop talking while the early trailer is out of sight as they round the 3/4 mile distance. 2 and 3 in a battle royal. Acquirement moves up by a length and a half. Mamaya shuffle back in second, then 5 lengths further back into the Caloocan's Pride. Out of sight now in fourth, then followed over by Snow Dip. And stop talking now running at the tail of the field as they will down the back. Acquirement by about 2 lengths. Mamaya once again closing in, and so as Caloocan's Pride traveling well okay at this point of the race. Out of sight is racing in fourth, then comes Snow Dip, and a long way back to stop talking. Acquirement checking in now on the outside, moves up to take the lead. Sa Caloocan's Pride, that's the favorite, while the rider Mark Alvarez is still in a very handy position. Acquirement in second, moving upon the outside is Snow Dip. 3 and 50 to travel. Caloocan's Pride this time by about 4, and in second now Snow Dip. Acquirement is running into third, and once again on the outside is Mamaya, but it's still Caloocan's Pride by about 4 lengths. And finally Caloocan's Pride is Snow Dip, Mamaya, Acquirement out of sight, and stop talk.